In this experiment number 9, student will have to prepare 3D solid model of given part drawing. So this is your exercise number 9.1. Just look at the orthographic view. All the required dimension is given to you in front view as well as top view. Let's switch over to AutoCAD to complete the exercise. So in AutoCAD, to invoke 3D environment, you have to go to bottom and you have to click on this gear icon and choose 3D modeling. It will change your interface and it will offer you 3D tool for creating solids. Now here you have to pay very close attention. Just look at this coordinate system where it shows this is X direction, green color is vertically Y direction and blue color indicate Z directions. So same is in the case of cursor. Cursor is also carrying 3 axes. So that will remind you the X axis is vertical, red is inclined and the Z is again 90 degree to previous axis. So let's start the exercise given to us. Now we'll try to build in the left directions like isometric. So for that we have to change the direction of this XY plane. Now what does it mean? So this is the sketching plane in which we are going to create the drawing. So let's begin with the line. Here let's say line downward is 46, horizontal is 114, upward is 12, and this is going to be say 114 minus 42, 12 is, that is 54, so it is going to be 60, so it is 60. So upward will be the track to these locations. Okay, yes. Okay, now let's click on the top. You may have a flip view, so change in a proper orientations. Okay, let's try to construct the remaining geometry. So L space, click here, it is 6. Okay, again from here on the left side it is 6. Now let's draw the line. Now press turn off the ortho by pressing F8. Here I am going to enter the given length and the angle will be, in case will be 45. Okay, similarly start the line and keep the unit, it has to cross the previous line and angle has to be 135. Now let's trim the lines, this and this. Okay, now let's draw line from here, it will be 5, so total by pressing ortho F it will be 10. Okay, so move up, similarly move up, let's zoom in and trim the unnecessary part, right, this part and this part. Now save your drawing. So this is your basic sketch. Now let's extrude it. So to turn it in 3 dimensions, shift and middle roller button and turn your side, right, this way. Now I will use press pull command, or either I can use extrude, but I am comfortable with press pull. Right, so click with the press pull, and when you come inside the closed geometry, it will offer you the addition of material, right? So I will add the thickness 60 millimeter. Okay, now save your drawing. Now here as per the drawing we have to provide the fillet at these edges, right? So solid editing here over here, and let's go for the fillet. This is fillet edge. Okay, now right click, radius will be 30. Okay, so choose this edge and this edge. Okay, press enter once and press enter second times to accept the correction. So I will choose this sketch which I have drawn to make it solid. Now save your drawing. Again I want to make a cut over here. Now for that I have to move UCS to that location. So press UCS and choose the center. Okay. So for that you have to choose like this. Okay. So this is and Y. Okay. Now press C for circle 0, 0. This is origin. D space for diameter. Diameter is 20. Okay. Now I will use press pull command and I will click inside the geometry. Now what press pull do? When you move inside the material, it will cut. If you move in a opposite direction when there is no material, it will add. So I will move in opposite direction to cut it. Okay. Now select this circle and remove it. Now click on this icon, which is front, right and top combination, right? Southeast corner. So this is how you can create the 3D solid model. Now let's create another exercise 9.2. Before that, let's switch over this UCS to make it on a left orientations. So L space, the length will be 50 plus 15, so it is 65. Okay. Horizontally it is equal to 20 plus 15, so 35. Okay. Vertically it is 30. From inside it will be out of 35 5, so 30. Okay. And from here this to this. Now let's choose top and orient it properly. Now let's try to see in a 3D view. Now let's press pull this. I will choose and I will go in opposite direction by the dimension of double radius, which is 15 plus 15, 30. Okay. Now save your drawing. Now let's give the fillet. This time radius is R space radius. Radius will be 15. Okay. So I will choose this edge and this edge. Okay. Press enter. Enter once again. Now enter again to repeat the filleting. Now this time the radius is different, so I will have to re-invoke the fillet command again. So go for fillet command, right click radius. Radius is say 15 again. Okay. Now select this and this. Enter and enter. Okay. Now save your drawing. Now let's try to UCS. Okay. So I have to use this circle command. So from here and from here. Okay. So that means that center is 0, 0. So C space 0, 0. So circle will start over there. And the radius is, diameter is 20. Okay. Let's use press pull command and click inside the geometry and pull down to till the end. So it will remove the material. Okay. Similarly, let's draw the circle on a front side. Okay. So here, this point and this point. So C space 0, 0. Now this time diameter is 15. Okay. So press full and right click. Now remove these drawn circles and Control S. So this is how student you can create solid model. Okay.